How to raise capital for your real estate deals. I'm going to be talking about a very simple method here that I've used to raise over $10 million of equity. And the system is connect, propose, and commit. Let's dive into it. Step number one is connect. So you have to connect with as many potential investors as you can that would be interested in real estate investment, interested in your deals. So how do we do that? It helps to have a simple Excel sheet. Start putting names down of people in your inner circle first, right? People from your family, your colleagues, people you have worked with before, or people from your school, college, any kind of affiliation, religious affiliation, or golf club, so forth. Those folks already know you and they probably trust you. So some of your work is already cut out. Now you have to educate them about the real estate investment and show them why it's good and why your experience and credibility is important for them to invest with you. So this is the connect phase. After you exhaust that list, then how do we find more investors to connect? So then we have to use other strategies. You could go to Facebook groups, you could connect with people on LinkedIn, you could have your own meetup group, and if you're experienced, you've already done some deals, you could also go on podcasts, you could be hosting webinars. There's all kinds of strategies to connect with more and more people. What happens is your goal is to connect with as many people as you can. So if you connect with 100 folks, out of that, certain number of people would be interested in your deals and in your business, and if your investing deals would be a good fit for them. So then we move on to stage number 2, which is proposing the investment. So having a conversation about your particular real estate deals or the markets you work in or the real estate investment strategy you're using, right? So you're proposing them an investment, and at this point the investor is asking you questions. You're building a relationship with them. They're learning a little bit more about your track record and what your plan is and what you are working on currently, right? What kind of deals and markets and so forth. And naturally, when you propose, a certain number of people would go into the phase number 3, which is commit. Now they're committing the funds to you, either a verbal soft commitment or they're ready to write you a check. So the process or the funnel is connect, propose, and commit. Key mistakes that real estate entrepreneurs make is they are focusing too much on the commitment. They want 10 investor commitments at $50,000 each, which is $500,000, but they are not focusing on the connection part. In order to get 10 commits, you might have to do 20 or 30 or 40 proposals. And in order to do 20 or 30 or 40 proposals, you might have to connect with 60 or 80 or 100 people. So your goal in step 1 is to connect with as many people as you can, and from that list you're going to propose to a certain number of investors. That pool is going to be smaller, and from that you're going to be commit phase. Just give you an example of how I recently raised $1 million in 2 weeks. I already have built relationships with investors. I've done business with them, so the process is much easier. I don't have to connect with them anymore, and the propose and the commit happen simultaneously. They've already done business. They know what to expect. They know my level of commitment to them and the service and the transparency and the education I provide. So I'm just bringing them the deal and they are evaluating it, and it's a yes or no pretty quickly. And you could get at that level as well. Start with your inner circle and then picking a strategy, either a LinkedIn or Facebook group or a local meetup group, to get more leads, having conversations with other real estate investors, having them know you, having them know your track record, your strategy, why you're investing in real estate, and why you believe your particular strategy is a good investment for them. And then you propose and you commit. It's very, very simple. This is the way you could raise millions of dollars. And of course, once you start these steps, there are more nuances that you could handle as you go along. So there you go. 3-step system to raise millions and millions of dollars. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I know you're getting some valuable information. Your support is invaluable for me to continue to put more awesome content out there to help you take your business and life to the next level. So if you could please subscribe to the channel, like the video, appreciate it much. See you in the next video.